Okay, let's take a look at converting the general form of a equation of a circle into the standard form. The general form is generally set up just the way you see it here with the x squared, the y squared, the x term, the y term, the constant, and it's set equal to 0. Now, the standard form is the more usable form when you have you can clearly see the center, and you have it solved with the radius squared at the end. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a process called completing the square. And the idea here is to create perfect squares. Now, the first step we want to do is get the constant to the other side. So if we subtract both -1 from both sides of the equations, this of course would cancel out, and you would have a -1 over here. So our second step is the x squared plus the y squared plus 6x minus 2y equals a -1. Our next step is to group the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. So it would look something like this, plus 6x. And what you want to do is leave a little space there. And you're going to have plus y squared minus 2y. Leave another space there. And equals -1. All right, now what we're looking for is to make a perfect trinomial square, which means essentially what we're going to do is cut this in half and square it. So half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. Half of 2 is 1, and 1 squared is 1. Now, we added 9 over here, so on the other side of the equation, you also want to add 9. We added a 1 here, so we add 1 there to keep the equation equal. Now, these are perfect trinomial squares, so this would be an x plus 3 quantity squared, and this would be a y minus 1 quantity squared, and these two cancel out, so you're left with 9. So now, when you're in standard form, you can clearly see the center is -3, +1, and your radius is this number, square root of this number, which is 3. And there you have your information you need from the standard form. So the standard form is here. What do we get out of the standard form? We can clearly see the center and the radius. And there you have it for converting general form to standard form. Thanks for watching.